Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find busy areas for Uber Eats. So first of all, if you have the latest version of the Uber Eats driver app, you open it up, your account is all set, ready to go. There is a high chance that your map is going to have what we call hotspots. So as you can see on your map, you will be able to find these red spots, aka the heat map. Usually if you see the heat map, when you locate the general map for deliveries on Uber Eats, it's going to tell you how well or how busy an area is working. You can find even the price I have highlighted in the green and will give you a general idea how to find busy areas for Uber Eats. Now while the heat map does help in order for you to find a good areas to deliver in, I do want to make a disclaimer and say that as of today, there really isn't a guarantee or a good method to find busy areas. Usually it's going to come down to your knowledge of the city, the market, and how well or how often people order on certain days of the week, weekends, etc. The heat map will give you a general idea, but a lot of users have reported that it is sometimes glitch or it doesn't have the most current up-to-date information. What I would say, if you don't know your area and you don't know where to deliver on the busy areas, is to maybe try delivering for a day hovering around these red spots on the heat map. See how our activity goes and try noticing a pattern, because like I mentioned earlier, since there is no automatic or easy way to figure out the busy areas in the heat map, it mostly comes down to personal experience and knowing your area. But the heat map will be a good starter point for you to get to know your market. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.